In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Christian Date app. If you are experiencing any challenge with this app, maybe you can't log in or the app is too slow or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix any problem. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so there are quite a number of steps you can take to troubleshoot this app. In the first method, we are going to access the app info page for us to troubleshoot it. To do this is quite simple. Just head over to your settings and from settings scroll down and look for apps. Now under apps, go for manage apps or all apps. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Scroll down until you find your app. Now you can see my app is here. Alternatively, you can just search for your app using the search bar. So once you are on it, go ahead and tap on it and we are on the app info page. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back to your app and once you have found it, just long press on it and you should see app info. Go ahead and tap on it and this will take you again to the same app info page. Now at this point we want to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially the cache data. When you go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data on your app and of importance is this cache data. So when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this problem, go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose clear cache and OK. And then restart your smartphone and open your app and this should have fixed your problem. But should you still experience any challenge, then you might want to come again to app info page and tap on clear data. And this time around, choose the first option, clear all data. And at this point, you'll need to log in afresh for you to be able to use the app. However, should this not solve your problem, then head to the third method, and that is to look for any update for this app. Because I'm on an Android smartphone, I'll go to Google Play Store. If you're on iPhone, go to App Store, search for your app and find out if we have any update. Go ahead and update it to the latest version and this should fix your problem. By updating your app, you'll be able to solve issues related to security or fix bugs that might be attached or associated with the older version of your app. But should that not fix the problem, then uninstall the app and then install it afresh to solve any issue that might be associated with your app. So with the above methods, you should be able to solve your problem. Let me know which of the 4 methods was able to help you. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.